Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're going to talk about cleaning our Cook Expert. Of course there's a built-in rinsing mode in our Cook Expert and I use it every time I use my Cook Expert. So I'm going to show it to you if you haven't used it yet. Some people just aren't aware of these things, so I'm going to bring it to your awareness. So you go through the programs like so, and it actually comes to rinsing. It does it automatically. What I do is I pop in some water, and you need to put in at least 500 ml, and there's an area where it says minimum water, just covering up that blade. I use hot water just from the tap and a bit of detergent, which I've already put in, and then I hit automatic. And you can see from the top that it washes it. Now I'm just going to turn it off now, but it continues to wash that for a couple of minutes and it really does a great job. And then I just take it out and I rinse it. So most of the time that's perfectly all that's needed. As I said, I take it then to the sink and I rinse all the soap and everything off it. But sometimes, like all cooks, we burn it at the bottom. And when that happens, here's a tip for you. And this is not just for the Cook Expert, but any other pot on the stove. If you actually just put into the bottom of it one of the tablets for your dishwasher, okay, so your dishwashing tablets into your bowl with some hot water, leave it in your sink. Make sure it's locked, okay, because those things are pretty toxic. You don't want the children anywhere near it. So you pop it inside, lock the lid, leave it in the sink overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, the bottom will be sparkling clean. Give it a good old rinse and you'll have a perfect bowl. Now that is a really $6 million tip. Don't forget it. I'm sure it's going to help you. Okay, so if you'd like, please give us or give me your tips because I think we can really help one another. So in your just in the comments, please give me some of your tips too. See ya.